time for another video. Hey, it's time for another video. Go Brandy, go Brandy, go Brandy, go Brandy. Y'all like that? Hey everybody, it is Brandy back again, and today is May 1st, and you know what that means. It's my lockversary. Hey. I was going somewhere, it was a rhyme, and I lost it. Damn. What is my lockversary? It is been a full month of having them in, and it's been great. So I'm gonna update you guys on things that I noticed, also answer the very few questions. I had questions, people were asking questions that I already answered in the first video, so I am gonna link that first initial lock journey intro to the description box down below, so you guys can click on that and check that out. Let's just talk about what we're looking like right now. I do have it kind of styled, so I popped this like 2 bobby pins right here, but this is what we're looking like. She's gotten fuzzy, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, she's getting a little bit more fuzzy. My hair is still very soft, so there's some that like have just unraveled. Like in the back, I have one that does not want to stay twisted at all, so I've tried to braid it. That didn't work either. It keeps slipping out. I feel like they're maturing slowly, so my worry was that my hair was too soft for it to lock like quicker. I'm not gonna say it's a quick process for me, it's not. There's still a lot of twists that you can see, but them getting fuzzy, I can like some of the definition, and some of them have like gone down a lot where I'm like, where is the twist at? Like if I wanted to unravel it, it would take a minute pretty much. So I'm excited about that. It's taking some time. I am still in the shrinking process. My hair right now is pretty much moisturized. Usually it'll shrink up way shorter than this. Sometimes it'll get like right here. Yeah, so it just kind of depends on how much moisture is in my hair. What I've been having issues with, of course, is dryness. I don't want to put conditioner in my hair because I know the twist will slip out, but I feel like my hair is not moisturized enough. I put oils in it, but it's like not doing it for me. There is a moisturizing spray that I did order from Amazon, so I'm going to see if that works for my hair. It seems to be working for a lot of people, and it got great reviews, so I'm going to check it out. If it is good, I'll let y'all know. But I have been spraying water in my hair just to get it to like wet the hair and moisturize it a little bit, and then I'll put some oils and massage my scalp. Because my hair is dry, my scalp gets really dry, and then I get flakes. I've had this issue for a while, like with my loose hair, with my short hair. I got it under control because it was easier to wash my hair and like moisturize my scalp a lot more. So I'm trying to make sure that I don't neglect my scalp in this process. Last time y'all saw me, I had freshly just twisted everything. Right after that video, my intention was to go ahead and interlock them, and then I was going to wash my hair a little bit later because of my scalp. Like I needed to wash my hair. I'm a dork because I decided to wash my hair and not do that process, right? So I washed my hair, and of course a lot of the ones here at the top, especially in the middle where I needed to get like the most like in there, where I really needed to massage my scalp to get the flakes off, this area here, a lot of them came out. I still knew where the parts were, but it was a process of me trying to do a lot of them all over again. Yeah, so remember I had 250 locks. I now have 249, sorry, because there was one, it was 2 here. I made them a lot smaller because of where they were on my head. Well, what I did, when I went to separate them out and actually interlock them, I ended up interlocking 2 together. I felt like I just skipped a whole step. I interlocked my hair after I washed it and retwisted everything back up. When I interlock my hair, I use this thing here. This is the Nappy lock tool. Come on. This is the small one from, it's a small one. I'll leave a link down below for you guys. A few people I've seen have used it and it worked. Because the first time I did it, I had that large interlocking tool that I showed y'all in the last video. That thing was way too big for my size of locks, and I didn't know no better. I didn't know. So when I did it, I was like, okay, I need something smaller. I ordered this one. This one is great, don't get me wrong, but I do need a smaller one because I noticed on some of them it was a lot to get this piece through the roots of my hair. And also my hair slips out very easy. Even the smaller one, I'm sure I'll have to like twist it a little bit to get my hair through. Let me explain what I mean. So when I go to interlock them, I'll put my hair through this loop here. So you can see that my hair is like, this isn't gonna stay. If I pull this through, this is gonna slip right out. So what I would do is I would just twist it like this, and then I hold the section I'm gonna put through, like I'll hold this part together, and then I'll go through the hair. So this works very well. Like, it doesn't take me long to do the process. In the beginning, I am going to do a 2-point rotation, so it's already simple because I'm doing it that way. This makes it a lot easier because it's a lot shorter and I can get through. So in the first video, I talked about my decision to interlock my hair. So like I said, I am using this tool and I'm doing a 2-point rotation for now. I think I mentioned it, where some people were saying that their locks were a little bit flat. I can definitely feel that if you were to interlock a lot. So there was a section in the front of my hair somewhere. I interlocked it, but then I washed my hair and it kind of like loosened up, so I like did it again. I could feel where it was flat because I had just did it. But there are some in here that I've only done them one time and they don't feel flat to me. I don't plan on interlocking my hair like a whole lot, as far as like I need time to lapse through. I get new growth, but my hair is very thin, so I don't want to over tighten it and I break my hair off. So I'm going to try to push it as far as I can, try to get to that 6-week mark at least before I decide to retighten my hair. Again, this is still a learning process to me. I'm only 1 month in. I am nervous about breakage. I haven't done a lot of styles with my hair just yet because it's still kind of twisted. There are some spaces that are very like loose that I just don't want to manipulate. I really don't want to touch them yet. I want them to mature enough before I start to like really start doing styles with them. I really like this little style. It's really cute. Pop it, pin it up. It could be dressed down, dressed up. It's really nice. I could even do like a little mohawk here. Like, it'd be really cute, and then like fluff it out or whatever. But very, very simple for the time being. And then my hair being short, there's a lot that I want to do, but it just don't come out the way I want it to. So we're trying to be patient here. We're trying to be patient. I'm very happy with the process so far. I really like how they look. I like the feeling of waking up and I just moisturize my hair. Like I spray some water in it, shake it out a little bit just to loosen, you know, soften it up a little bit, and I can go about my day. I like when I take my bonnet off, I like what's underneath it already. The more I see it mature, I love it. I love this at this fluffy stage. I really do. I really like this a lot. I did a horrible job at taking any pictures or anything of my hair in this journey from this first month. I'm gonna do better. I'm gonna try to take more videos and stuff like that so you guys can see the progression, because I don't plan to update every single month, but like when we get into the milestones and things that I really want to show y'all, definitely gonna let y'all know. But the first month it is hard because you still have in your mind what other people's locks look like. I had to stop looking at some people's Instagrams because I felt myself being like, dang, why my hair can't look like hers? And it's like, bro, that's not your process. Like, that's not what's happening with you. And I had to just look at my hair and love my hair and know that it's a journey. It's coming for me. I just gotta wait. So I'm kind of just, you know, taking myself away from other people's journey and focusing on mine, being patient in mine, understanding my hair, be paying attention to it. Knowing what it likes, knowing what it doesn't like. I can't stress it enough. If you thought about locking your hair, go ahead and do it, because time is gonna fly by so quick and you could have already been on that journey. So yes, I'm loving her. I'm gonna do a quick little turnaround so you guys can see all of it, so to get comparison shots from before and today. Like I said, I don't know when I'll do another update. I'll see how I'm coming along. I'll probably do one at month 3, maybe month 3, month 4. Give it some time for it to mature a little bit more, so you guys can really see a difference in what I'm looking like from the first day till now. And I'll have a lot more things. I want to actually have more pictures for y'all to see, because I feel like I have no pictures between to show the progression. We'll get there. This video wasn't meant to be long. It was just meant to be a quick update, just so you guys could see what my hair was looking like. So if you do have any questions or anything, or if you have any suggestions about things I could use for moisture, I would very, very much appreciate it, because I need all suggestions I can get, preferably from people who have thirsty hair, low porosity. All right guys, that is all I really wanted to say. I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.